Alright, hey, what is up guys, and welcome to a quick vlog. So, today what I am going to be doing is I am going to be packing and getting ready for my nature classroom trip tomorrow morning. So, let's get started. So, first on the list is a water bottle. Guys, let's do this. Are you guys ready to be warped into a mystery of magicalness? Look at the floor. This is my epic bike. The lighting in here is terrible, I know. There's nothing in here. There's some... Oh, that's my... Yeah. Floor again. Alright, now on the way back to my room. Alright, first thing on the list, achieved. Perfect. Water bottle. Alright, water bottle, check. And I will give myself that check in a moment. I'll be back. And I'm back, guys. Water bottle, which just so happens to be super important. Why won't this? Yeah. Alright, whatever. It says water bottle, super important. Let's give that a check right on next to it, because I got that ready. After that, next is one warm jacket and or coat. But the coat that I have, the jacket I have, my mom is washing it, so that's a check right there. By the time my mom gets back, I'll have that. And for number 3, hats, warm hat and or ball cap. Onto the couch right here, where as you guys can see, I have both of those. New York Giants hat, favorite team. And then this hat. Hold on. And then this. Not my favorite team, but I'm just gonna wear it. And so, check on that. Water bottle, hats. Water bottle and hats. That's a check right there. Next on the list. Next item on the list is gloves and scarves. Also, my mom is washing those. Well, not washing. She's just getting some new ones. So that's a check. I'm not even gonna bother. Actually, yeah. Check. Check. One raincoat and or poncho. Bam. Perfect. A black poncho ready to roll. Right there with the rest of the list. Let's give that a check. Next on the list is sunscreen and or hat with brim. Already have the hat. Let's move on to the sunscreen. Bam. Wow. Wow. This room has an echo. I don't like it. Whatever. 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 Yeah, this room has an echo. I don't like it. And we have this copper tone sunscreen continuous spray, kids broad spectrum, SPF 50, one prediction, one. Forget it. I have it. Check. I'm not gonna read that. I'm not in school right now, so yeah. Check. Insect repellent. Insect repellent. Bam. Done and done. Got this baby right here. Leap Woods. But it asks that I do not bring aerosol. Well, lucky for me. This is SC Johnson, a family company. Not much left though. It keeps off mosquitoes, ticks, which is gonna be good because I'm gonna be at Nature's Classroom. Biting flies, gnats, and chiggers. I don't know what chiggers are, but they're probably annoying. Check. A day pack or backpack? Well, luckily for me, I go to school every day, so I already have one. Bam. I have too many backpacks here, but my mom's probably gonna get rid of some of them by probably throwing them away or like saving them for, I don't even know. And one camera, preferably disposable. Well guys, it's gonna take a while for me to look for this one, and nope, found it right here. Camera reception. Turn that off. On the pile. Guys, we have everything on the list, but sadly for me, I'm not going to be able to record while I'm on this trip. It's gonna be a pretty long day, pretty long trip, because I'm not gonna be able to, like, yeah, film it. So there you go, guys. Nature's Classroom packing with your boy right here. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys next time. Peace.